Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the falling knife candlestick pattern. Now when traders talk about a falling knife, they are basically describing a situation where price is dropping very fast with strong momentum and little to no pullback. You can see an example here, right? You can see another example here. Okay, so imagine a knife falling from the sky. You wouldn't try to catch it mid-air because you'll likely get hurt. The same idea applies in trading. So in the Forex market, this kind of movement usually happens due to strong selling pressure. So it could be caused by major news, events, maybe panic selling, or large institutions exiting their positions, right? On your chart, it often looks like a series of strong bearish candles with very small or no retracement, all right? So now the mistake many beginners make is trying to buy during this drop, thinking the price is cheap. But the truth is, price can keep dropping much further than expected. So that is why experienced traders wait. They look for signs, that the market is slowing down. Things like maybe smaller candles, or you can see what happened here, right? After this sharp drop, you can see that we had a series of smaller candles, although this was generally a bullish trend, but then we had a sharp drop here, had a series of smaller candles before the bullish move continues, right? So one of the things to look out for is smaller candles or consolidation, or maybe reversal patterns such as double bottoms or bullish engulfing candles, right? Another thing to watch is support levels. Okay, support levels is another thing to watch. All right. So if price approaches a strong support zone and starts reacting, that could be a safer place to consider entries and not in the middle of the drop. Okay, so the key lesson here is patience. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Let the market show signs of stability first before making a decision. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.